Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to explain you all about the new Momo challenge. So let us explain it, right? I like to start it from the first. So nearly a week before from today, some people started getting messages from an unknown WhatsApp account which says itself as Momo, and it says that if you don't play a game with it, it will hack into your phone and get your private things out of that. So the first question that on your mind will be, can anyone hack into my phone using WhatsApp or using a WhatsApp message or image? The answer is absolute no. No one on this world will be able to hack into your phone using a WhatsApp message or image. Then the next question which arises at your mind will be, then how does they hack into your phone? Guys, there are currently a lot of applications, APK, which are circulating through the WhatsApp, which says as this Momo game. So Momo, I like to see it on the way as you see as the blue whale. It is a lot similar to the blue whale. It is also, Momo is also trying to make you suicide. So how does it does that? It's just when you install your application, that application on your phone takes some private data out of your phone, and with those things they are trying to blackmail you and force you to suicide. This is the thing that it tries to do. So how to stay out of this? Just simple, don't install that application. Any application which are circulating around the WhatsApp now should not be installed by you. If you install that application, then you are prone to their hacking things. Then they can carry on into your phone and can take out any of your data. I like to show you an example over here. It is not Momo, but it is sort of a security tip for you to be out of all these things. The one thing that you have to make always sure is that whenever you are installing any applications which are from an unknown source, make sure that you know the provider and you are very sure that that application is not going to be doing anything with your phone. If you look from Android Marshmallow onwards, when the application starts, it has to ask you the permission for accessing your images, cameras, etc. Most of our guys does not even read that and just go on clicking allow. You have to make sure that that application only uses the features that it needs. I will show you an example. This is an Android phone which is running on Android 8.1. It will be similar to all the devices Android, but there will be a little bit of changes. First you have to go into your settings. Then if you see the app and notifications over here, you have something known as app permissions. Here it has listed all the features which the phone has, and when it comes to camera, it says 8 of 17 apps are allowed. That means 17 applications which I have installed on this phone are asking for the permission to access my camera, but over that only 8 applications are allowed to use the camera. So here I have switched off all the features, all the application which does not require the camera. If you see over here, it's Philips Recorder. That means it's just a voice recording application, but it is asking for the camera access. The another major application which sort of does not respect the user's privacy is the UC browser. As you can see that UC browser isn't just a small browser, and it is trying to access my camera. Why should a browser try to access my camera? That's my question. So you guys have to be always careful when you install the applications from some unknown sources. I would always suggest not to install any applications from the unknown sources. Always try to stick with the official Google Play Store. Even the Google Play Store isn't that safe, but it is a lot more safer than the unknown applications which you install from the outside Play Store. And always try to switch off the unknown application installation thing off on your phone. It is not safe. So the Momo is also utilizing this to hack into your phone. So in order to hack into your phone. They are trying to make you install an game known as Momo. After the installation of that APK, your phone is hacked. Then if you're wondering, what's next, if I install that application accidentally, what I can do next, it is simple. You just have to go into your settings and uninstall that application. There is no other internal or external script which can run even after you uninstall the application. Even if you're still worried about it, just do a factory data reset. It is a lot simple. You have to just go down at the security system, then you have the option to reset. Just factory data, give the factory data reset option, then your whole phone will be reset. And after that, there is no other issues which is going to happen. I know a lot of people are installing this APK in order because of the curiosity or the curious to know what is inside that application. I always suggest not to try that. If you have to try that, then I would suggest is that remove all the private files on your phone and make sure that there are no other files on your phone with which they can blackmail you. If you have some sort of those kind of files, I would suggest you to remove it from the phone now itself, and then you can go and try to install that application. Without any private file or without any sort of files with which they can blackmail you, there's no way that they can drive you to and suicide point. So that's it, guys. So Momo, I can't actually say it is and fake. No, it is not fake. The fake is that they can't hack your phone with a WhatsApp message, and it is real. They can actually get into your phone after you install their application. So make sure that you don't install any sort of that kind of applications. And the another thing with the Android is that if the application does not have a user interface, then it won't be shown at your the app drawer. If you worried about something, you have some sort of that kind of applications which has been installed on your phone, just go take your apps and notification on and go into the app info. Here all installed application on your phone will be shown, and if you see anything which is suspicious, just go and uninstall that. That's a major bug with the Android, is that if the application does not have a user interface, it won't be shown anywhere until you try to find it over here. So just go through your app infos and try to make sure there is no such kind of suspicious application which has been installed on your phone. If you see something like that, just uninstall that. So that's it, guys. The Momo is sort of real, not real in the way that they say. They can only hack into your phone after you install the application, and no one on this world will be able to hack into your phone with a WhatsApp message or an image which they send through the WhatsApp. That's it, guys. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.